Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish. I'm an online fashion reseller. So I sell mostly secondhand clothing online on apps like Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari for my full-time job. And today I have another unboxing. This one is from ThredUP. It's from their rescues section. So it's kind of like a mystery box of things that they cannot sell on their website, maybe slightly damaged or missing a tag. Something like that, where it just doesn't meet their quality standards, or maybe it was on their website and expired and now they're offloading it because it hadn't been reclaimed. I'm not quite sure, but there are many reasons why these items may be in this box. And this is my first ever mixed clothing box. So this is like the first option on their rescue website. And it is 25 pieces of clothing, and it's, I believe, just mixed women's clothing. I think possibly men's can sneak in there sometimes, but I decided to try it out. I was kind of wary. I wasn't sure if it was just going to be a bunch of junk thrown in a box, but I want to show you what I got. This was a very, I would say, positive experience. I'm gonna go through, I actually already opened this box, so it's not a true unboxing, but I'll go ahead and show you what I got. There are definitely, I'm gonna show you some of the pieces that I'll either be taking to consignment or just kind of figuring out what I need to do with them. And then I'm saving the items that I'm going to list in my Poshmark closet, eBay, Mercari for last. So let's go ahead and jump in, and you can decide on your own what you think of it. If you like reselling videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I put out reselling videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. First of all, I think they gave me an extra piece, which is just this like new J. Jill pair of tights. So I don't know, I might throw these up on Poshmark as just like a bundling gift item, or I don't know. I haven't really figured out what I want to do with these, but I'm not mad about it. I'll take them. This is a dress without, oh, actually, this is the front. It's got a keyhole back, but there is no tag. Tag has been cut off. I think this might be a loft piece. The inner tags have been cut out too, but from the side that the tag used to be on, for some reason loft tags are on the opposite seam that most material tags are on. Let me know if you understand what I'm saying. Usually it's on like the, if you're looking at the dress face on, or the shirt, it's usually on the right side, but theirs are always on the left. Anyway, so that's why I think this is loft, or like some sort of Ann Taylor line, but it's pretty. It has a little floral embroidery around the sleeve opening and around the bottom. But yeah, I'm not sure. This might go to Plato's or some sort of consignment. This is a kind of pretty delicate, I'm not sure if it's silk, but a little White House black market tank. I might list this. I haven't decided yet, or if I can find a more mature option for consignment. I usually take a lot of stuff to Plato's, but they don't take brands like White House Black Market and Banana Republic and that kind of thing. So I'm still trying to figure out what I might do with some of these more basic pieces I wouldn't normally list in my closet, but are still definitely worth something. So like this one, just a little Banana Republic, yeah, just regular Banana Republic size 8 plum little career dress. This one might go up on Poshmark, we'll see. Here's a basic pair of little loft size 4 petite chinos. This is an Adriana Papel top. It does have a stain on it though, on the top. It's not necessarily a style I would sell in my closet, but if I can get the stain out, I can probably still find something to do with it. If I can get the stain out, I might just send it right back into ThredUP, because then they might take it. That's what I might do with some of this stuff. This is Loft Outlet. Cute little dress with a cutout back, a little like layered. This is zero petite, so very small in 2 different ways. This I know nothing about. It seems to be not really much of anything on a brief research, but it is trendy. It's got these like, it's like a ruche sleeve pink bomber, so this is definitely gonna go to Plato's. Needs to be washed. It has kind of a stank. I have no idea. This is probably, I think the rest of this stuff, with maybe a few exceptions, is going to Plato's. I don't know what this is. I don't think it's Urban Outfitters, but it's kind of cute. It's, I don't know how well made it is, but it's got this like peplum flouncy bottom. It's just this black dress with a necktie. I'm doing a bad job of showing it, but it's cute, but it's, I have no idea. It looks like it might be fairly inexpensively made. So again, hopefully Plato's. And this is another one I just don't know very much about. Earthbound Trading Company, size small. It's in fine condition. It's just this little like crochet top mini dress. Little tie in the back. All of this stuff is in fairly good condition. Here's a little Paper Moon, which is I think a Stitch Fix brand, little chiffon top. Again, a little too basic for my Poshmark closet, but not a bad item. Philosophy, it's wrinkly, but it's kind of cool. It's just this little kind of, it's kind of got a lagging look vibe. Philosophy, size small. This feels like one of those just super inexpensively made. It is Bebop, B-U, be free, size small. Just the feel of it. It's got like a LuLaRoe type of feel to it. Little lace up top, but easily a Plato's item. And as is this one, this Aaliyah brand. I see that constantly in Plato's. It's a little tank top. Not very seasonal, but we'll try it. And this is just, I haven't gotten to any of the stuff that I want to list yet, so this has not been bad. This is a little Toby dress. Yeah, it's cute. Actually, it's very small, but like mini sized, but it is a cute little Toby dress. And this is a pretty little Cupio tank. It's got like a little plissé pleating with some laser cuts at the bottom. Here is Lush, another one you flip through a lot in the thrift stores, but just a little basic t-shirt. Again, definitely Plato's. And this pair of Guess, like stretchy white button front shorts. They are new with tags. So again, I don't know if there's anything wrong with them. There must be a little stain on here somewhere, but again, that'll go to Plato's. And that is everything that I'm not going to list. So here's the stuff, here's the good stuff. And there are about 8 pieces of good stuff. So let's start here with, I did just decide, I don't usually list Banana Republic, but I did like this pair of, it's just a basic pair of high-rise skinny jeans. So I like to make sure I have jeans in my closet, size 28. No real flaws that I can find, so good solid pair of skinny jeans that I'm going to list. Here is a little Zara cold shoulder floral print dress. This is not quite a toile. I thought it was maybe more of a, is it toile the word I'm trying to think of? Might be a different word, but, and I probably would not pick this up to sell it, but I do list quite a bit of Zara from time to time, so, and this is Zara Woman, which I believe is their most, it's like their highest line within Zara is what I've learned. So I will list that. Also, I usually try not to pick up too much Fabletics, but I think it does sell well, just not for a lot, but this is this like bright purple lace-up back sweatshirt from Fabletics, and it is an extra large, so that's a great size. And again, not really anything wrong with it that I can see. This is, from what I can tell, an older Free People tag, you know, pretty sure. Size 2, I feel like this is probably like a mend job. Like, yeah, it definitely is. Like, the straps were not short enough for somebody, but it is still a cute dress. So I'm gonna still try to sell it, I think. And just disclose that this, you know, doesn't look amazing, but if you're wearing it, you won't know. As long as it fits and doesn't like come apart. I don't know, isn't it cute? I think it's cute. Even though it's an older, probably an older style. Anyway, I am still gonna list it probably. Okay, and here are probably the items I'm most excited about. First is this pair of Gymshark leggings. Gymshark leggings, there you go. Now you can actually see the logo on the back. But I absolutely love selling Gymshark. That is definitely getting listed. Here is this gorgeous little Ted Baker dress, size 5, which I believe is a larger size in Ted Baker. But it's really pretty. It's like a chiffon outer. It's got these bows up the front, and it's got this really pretty bird embroidery along with just like a bird print all the way around. So this is really pretty, and I'm excited to list it. Was not expecting to receive just a beautiful Ted Baker dress, but okay. And then this was maybe one of the first things I saw peeking out, and I was like, are you kidding me? These are some Reformation high-rise skinny jeans. They've got some sort of tag on them. Looks like, I don't even know where this came from, what this tag is, but they're Selma high-rise skinnies. And the only issue with these, there's just a little mark there. I might even be able to get that out. So, not mad, because these items will definitely help me profit on this box, because the box for what it is not a bad price. These are items that ThredUP is just trying to kind of get out, I assume, from their warehouse. So I believe it's like $60 for 25 items. So if you're willing to give it a chance, this is the only one I've ever ordered. I did order another one, so I will hopefully be able to follow up and let you know, are these constantly a knockout, or are these truly hit or miss like the shoe boxes? Which that's what I've seen so far. So let me know what you think. Have you ordered the mixed clothing box before? Let me know in the comments. And let me know how you think this one was. I will be back on Friday with another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon.